What makes a desert beautiful is that somewhere in the vastness lies an ocean of opportunities. Welcome to Kutch, a land of inspiration, a land of transformation, a land standing against all odds of nature, a blend of ecology and ethnicity. Welcome to that round of opportunities. Kutch was initially known for its 3 Ds: desert, drought, and distance. But looking at the past decadal growth, a new D has been added to it, which is development.
कच्छ में 2001 में जो अर्थक्वेक आया, उस टाइम माननीय वड़ा प्रधान श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी ने की प्रेरणा से गुजरात सरकार ने कच्छ को टैक्स फ्री जोन डिक्लेयर किया। इसकी वजह से कच्छ में बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज आई। बाद में वाइब्रेंट गुजरात समिट में माननीय हमारे मुख्यमंत्री श्री आदरणीय मोदी साहब के प्रयासों से और भी कई इंडस्ट्रीज कच्छ में आई।
Kutch is right now a success story for many economical backward regions, not just in India, but across the world. Any endeavor in the pursuit of development will not come to life unless there is a touch of human capital. This holds true across time and space, and this also is the case in Kutch. It is this capital and their thoughts which will decide where the roads to future will lead us. Skilled human capital can make miracles happen, and the responsibility of providing the society with such human capital lies in the hands of the entire academic fraternity. Kutch is fortunate enough to have some of the nation's most renowned educational groups, rendering quality primary, secondary and higher secondary school education. There are around 12 post-graduation departments and 42 colleges under Kranti Guru Shyamji Krishna Varma Kutch University, offering variety of the courses. The Adani Medical College was established at Bhuj and is imparting quality medical education in the district, offering graduation and post-graduation courses. Kutch also has engineering institutes affiliated to the Gujarat Technological University, an industrial training institute that is ITIs in every taluka, and Kaushalya Vardhan Kendras in villages backed by innovative government policies has resulted in the fulfillment of required skilled manpower to the industries. Today, Kutch is one of the fastest growing region in the world with a huge functional investment of rupees 1 lakh crore. This amazing pace of industrialization also created demand for huge skilled manpower and qualified executive force for the operations of these industrial units. It is in these lines of thought that Kutch Collectorate, Kranti Guru Shyamji Krishna Varma Kutch University and Fokia have taken first of its kind initiative in the state of Gujarat by creating a Kutch Industry Academia Forum for the district, with an objective to bridge the gap between industry and academia through meaningful interactions by way of industrial visits for academia visits by senior executives, arranging various theme-based seminars to educate and inform the students about global benchmarks created in various industrial fields, review and analyze present syllabus in constantly changing industrial challenges. All this to improve the employability of the local pass-out students. KIAF is having this vision and mission. The success of this forum will result into bridging the gap between skill seekers and skill providers, thus creating an ecosystem of happiness, health and prosperity. Industry and academia are integral parts of the society, forming a demand-supply equation for a society to prosper. This forum, initiated by Fokia in collaboration with Kutch Collectorate and the Academia Fraternity of the region, is a welcoming step which is directed towards harnessing the human potential towards a positive and creating win-win scenario.
Fokia is coming with Academia Group, and it is a really welcoming concept because nowadays we find that whatever the academic knowledge is obtained by the students, is not sufficient for their actual industrial utilization, and at times it is being said that majority of our graduates are not compatible for direct employability into the industries, and for just bridging this particular gap, if this can be resolved with the help of different industrial groups, then it will definitely help the student community and it will increase their employability.
कच्छ में पहले से ही फोकिया काम कर रहा था। ये काम इंडस्ट्री बढ़ने के बाद इनके पास जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स आई उनको शॉर्ट आउट करते करते प्रयासों में से उनको ये सोच में आया कि इंडस्ट्रीज को जैसे स्किल पर्सन चाहिए वो नहीं मिल रहे हैं, तो इसको फुलफिल करने के लिए फोकिया ने ये प्रयास किया कि कच्छ इंडस्ट्रीज एकेडेमिया फोरम बनाया जाए। इसके माध्यम से इंडस्ट्रीज को जिस टाइप के पर्सन चाहिए, एम्प्लॉय चाहिए, वो एकेडमिक साइड से कहाँ से मिल सकते हैं उसका डेटा मिले, और एकेडमिशियनों के पास से मिला हुआ डेटा वो इंडस्ट्रीज को बेच सके। एकेडमी एंड इंडस्ट्रीज के बीच में ये ब्रिज का काम कर रहा है क्या?
In a pursuit to take this objective forward, KIAF intends to initiate first of its kind Deen Dayal Upadhyay Employability Enhancement Program, that is DEEP, in the district and state to enhance the employability skills of the students of the district.